Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and today we'll show you how to create a poll on Skype. So without any further ado, let's get started. It's quite easy to open a poll on Skype unlike other apps. First you have to do is first open Skype. After that, select a conversation of your choice. When you're in the conversation, go to the bottom of your screen. Click the three dots in the bottom right corner. After that, you'll see many options popping up. Just select the create poll option. Write down anything you want to make the poll about. As example, I'm writing how's the day. You can select the expiration date and time. After that, you can click to the options section and create as many options as you want to create. Good, not good. And after, if I click create poll, the poll will be created. I click good. As you can see, that's how you can vote on the poll created on Skype. So that's how you can create a poll and vote it on Skype. Hope you guys like this video, share our other videos, and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and peace.